Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'll be doing question 46 from 1.3 exercises in James Stewart calculus. So we asked to express this in terms of the following, or in the form f of g. So we have to figure out what f is and what g is. So remember that g would be substituted wherever you have an x in f. So your f would most probably be this, and your g will now be x over 1 plus x, because if you now substitute g wherever you see an x into f, then it would just be this function. In other words, f of g would be f of x over 1 plus x, which would be the cube root of x over 1 plus x. So that's how it works. You're going to substitute your g wherever you see an x in f. And this would be how you'd express it in this form.